You are watching 3D Prints, please like and subscribe. I'm not there to kill every spider. This 3D printed spider trap is a gift to my wife. She doesn't like spiders and I don't like spiders interrupting my life. You are watching 3D Prints, please like and subscribe. Did you find a spider? Slide the lever to close the trap door. Take it outside, it won't bother you anymore. You are watching 3D Prints, please like and subscribe. I'm not there to kill every spider. I'm not there to kill every spider.